Hi, welcome back to Net Worth Tracking with Yappy. So in this month, in this quarter, I was like installing a roof extension on my house, apparently, and I was also like extending my garden to make it bigger. So I was just doing some home improvements essentially. Um, yeah, and for the rest, I just worked because apparently there was a lockdown, so I didn't even have time to flirt with anyone or whatever because, like, Netherlands was nothing going on. I had like 17 euros in cash. I had 6,135 euros on my checking account, and around 6,850 euros on my business account. 650 euros on ING. Again, I had 170 euros in accounts receivable, whatever that means. 3,500 euros in the brokerage account, and the pension fund went down again for some reason. They probably accrued fees at this point, which breaks it. And I got like the shares in Superseed going up each month, and Interactive Brokers is still doing amazing because we still are in this giant Corona rebound where money is being printed and sent into the stock market. Yeah, my student debts are still 21,000 euros, and my mortgage is slowly being whittled down, which brings my total net worth so my total net worth is 156,000. I guess like the stocks compensated for the installing of the improvements in the house. But yeah, I wouldn't expect this to be so high, even though I made all these like large expenses, right? Anyway, if you liked the video, please like the video. Thanks for watching and see you all next time.